Hi all, this is Sam from Teach the World to Trade, and this is a tutorial to follow up the third workshop in our Learn to Trade Like a Professional course, where we are looking to execute our trades. So on our trade process, we're identifying a trade, executing a trade. We're going to use Trading View. We're going to use the simple functionality that there is here on Trading View to safely execute some ideas without risking any money. Just a bit of your time so you can practice your ideas, taking your ideas and putting them into some sort of functional trade where you'd have an opportunity to hopefully make some money, right? So I've got the FTSE up here. It's currently on a 10-minute time frame. As we can see in the top left, we know it's the FTSE because it's typed in here as well. I'm going to do a simple bit of technical analysis. I'm going to draw some channel lines. It looks like it's going up. Here we go. That line, looks like it's bang on it, more or less. So that is nice and easy for me because I am going to buy it. I'm going to show you how I would buy this market, where I place my stop and where I place my profit target. So if we look over here, we've got the forecasting and projection symbol. So we click on this at the left. You can click on it right there. So the middle line, if you remember, is your entry. So I'm going to buy it right now where it is. Bang, I'm going to buy it. And then I'm going to stop just below this trend line that I've made. Because if it breaks here, our technical analysis theory is it's going to go down, right? So I'm going to buy right now, as we said, on the trend line. So I'm thinking it's going up, and I think that's a good place to buy. And then I'm going to stop just below it. And then our target would be to either reach this level where it's failed to close above or break it. For me, I just think we're going to head up there, drift up there again. Okay, so it's kind of a small trade. Just quick idea. Trading off this trend line, buying it, which is our middle line, stop out, which if it goes wrong, we're going to stop out just below. And you probably just want to be above here, even tighter stop. And then I'm going to have a small target just below this trend line, which is refusing to close above. So it's refusing to close above there. We had a big sell-off from there. And then if it breaks below here, that's where we're going to exit. Okay. And then looking at this trade, we look at the risk reward ratio. This is really important, 3-1. So remember when I said you want a risk reward of 2-1? This is based on kind of simple trading theory. If you know your trades have got a 50-50 chance of success, then if you're working on a fact that you're increasing your chance of success to more than 50%, and your ratios stick in minimum 2-1, over time, over your trading career, you should be positive, right? And that's the aim. So we've bought, we've got our exit. So we've got our exit, remember, is where we're going to get out if we make money, and the stop is where we're going to get out if it goes wrong. Okay? So there we go. So that's a long position. I'm going to show you a short position now. I'm going to delete all of my indicators. Okay, so those lines are still pretty valid. Just roughly there. And then I'm going to draw another one here. And there was a good one here where it wouldn't close above. So again, we go to our forecast, our projections. So I'm going to do a short position this time. And we just drag it with our left mouse button. So I am going to set up a trade idea that if it does reach this level again, because it's refusing to go above here today on a 10-minute, this is just a 10-minute chart. I'm going to look to sell if it gets back up there, trying to trade that range. And then I'm going to stop out slightly above. But then I'm going to look for a big sell-off. to close this gap over here, this gap that was created. So this, I could have this, say if I was very negative on the UK economy and I was looking to get a short position on, negative on equities, full stop, then I might be looking to get a good short on at this area. It's also a very good level that it's not closing above. So I might want to get the short on with a stop above this new high and then look for a really big win. Another trade idea. But you can tell this one's a short idea because in the green we make money when it goes down, and in the red, if it goes up, we lose money, vice versa. Okay, so that's a quick video tutorial about execution using the TradingView platform, which I want you to go away and practice, because without practice, we're not going to get anywhere, right? Yeah, we've spoken a lot about theory, but you need to start putting this theory into practice. So check out these things that I've shown you and start make mistakes. Make mistakes and then learn from them. That's the best advice I can give you. That's exactly how I succeeded, trial and error. Okay, so good luck all, and I'll speak to you soon.